y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be reviewing this 24-inch water wave wear and go wig from UNiceHair. This is a 6x4.5 lace, 150 density. It comes with these 3 clips, these silicone edge grips to really make sure that wig stays in place, and this adjustable strap in the back. Without further ado, I'm going to stop talking and just get into this install.
People need some content. Niggas trying to keep up. Shit is not a contest. Whipping best concept. Heaven said, God says. This is what my mom says. Proof is in the progress. Money's not an object. Busy than a motherfucker. You know how my job get. Barking up the wrong tree. You know how the dogs get. Haven't fallen off yet. Come with a classic.
It's almost as if they over pluck when you get the wig. It looks like a big bald spot in the middle right here. I'm gonna trim the lace and see if that helps. I'm doing this all on camera because if you pay and you happen to get a wig like this, I'm going to show you guys how to finesse it. I think I can fix it. Bear with me. At this point, all I'm doing is sectioning off the spot where I want to cut my lace. The bald spot to me really was just in the middle, like front area. And to be honest, because the lace is so large, I don't think cutting it or trimming it will really make a difference in how the wig will like lay.
That's why I got 10 on my mind. I got M's. Got a lot of M's on my mind. My friends. Yeah, I keep my friends on my mind. Should repent. I need me some Jesus in my...
I'm just pulling my tan cap forward to make sure that I get an accurate read on what it's gonna look like before I get it all sprayed down and stuff. At this point, just trying to make sure it's all evened up. Okay, that's a little better. It's a little better. It's still real loose on my head. Yeah, it's definitely not going to be able to be glueless. It's too loose on my head. So I'm going to spray her down and we gonna see.
I got sins on my mind and some M's. Got a lot of M's on my mind. Friends. Yeah, keep my friends.
I'm going to sleep on this and I'm going to come back and finish the install in the morning. Hopefully, fingers crossed, this lace is melted in the morning when I take this band off.
Yeah, I keep my friends on my mind. Should repent. I need me some Jesus in my life.
Overall, the wig is pretty soft, but I did have to put a lot of product in it to kind of get the waves, I guess, pretty defined.
Mr. Dance idiot. Dirty South.
Right now, I'm just going in with my Aunt Jackie's Curl-La-La. There goes the shedding. I will leave down in the comment section all of the products that I'm using for those of you that are going to want to know. Just scrunching, really trying to get the most out of these waves, curls, whatever you want to call them.
I promise you, if we keep bumping heads, I know that one of these days we gon' hook it up, probably talk on the phone, but see, I don't know if that's good. I've been holding back this secret from you. I probably shouldn't tell it, but if I let you know, you can do it.
Watch how when I put this makeup on, this lace just disappears. It's white and then it's not. Look at that. I will say, despite me having to trim the lace up, the lace itself is actually it's good. Like, it's not too thick, the knots aren't too big, knots aren't even bleached. So imagine how seamless everything will really look if the knots were actually bleached. Yes, I changed my background, and what about it? Moving on to the edges. Honestly, it looked a lot better than it did. Trimming the lace, I feel like helped a lot.
See, I'm trusting you with my heart, my soul. I probably shouldn't let you, but if I let this go,
That's what the lace is giving up close, so it's not bad.
I hope you're responsible. So let you say bye. Is it my good?
Am I too grown for jewels? I've had these for I don't know how long, and I've been trying to get rid of them. Let's try them. Ugh. Maybe I'll go to the hair store and get some rings, because I feel like I look like I'm 12 with these on. No. Nah, it's not giving. Guess I'll put it up there.
I don't do too much. We had our downs, but we had way more ups. Let's make love. That be the reason that you.
Okay. Not too bad. This is cute. Let's fluff out these baby hairs.
I knock you off the damn frame. Remember that last time I made you miss your damn plane. Remember that last time I wet you down with champagne. Remember that? And I know I've been the worst, but I love you better if you let me.
I'm glad it turned out really nice. Overall, what would I rate the wig? I might have to give it a 6 or a 5, maybe like a 5.5, maybe like a 5.5, 6. I feel like the lace was a little over plucked, so I had to cut some of the lace. 2, it shed a bit when I was trying to detangle and work the product through. Other than the shedding and the over plucked lace, I wouldn't really say that I had any more cons. The curl pattern is really pretty. I had to put product in it to make it not frizzy. And the last water wave hair I had, I didn't have to do that. So that will be another con. But pro, this lace is melted, honey. The curl pattern is beautiful. That's a pro. And overall, it really was an easy install. Other than me readjusting the lace with scissors. Do was slap it on, spray, put the band on, and blend it in with makeup. It really was, other than that, easy install. Y'all let me know what you guys think of this look. Let me know how y'all think it came out down in the comment section. Let me know if y'all want to start seeing me do more like braid styles on my wig. And I got y'all. All of the information to this wig will be left in the description box down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this one. And I will see you guys in the next video.